Let's be honest. Building an investment portfolio can feel like you're trying to solve a puzzle with, I don't know, a million pieces. It can be totally overwhelming, right? But what if I told you there's a blueprint, a really simple but powerful way to get started and build with confidence? Well, that's exactly what we're going to break down today. So, what is that smarter path? How do you build for the future without all that day-to-day stress of trying to pick the next big thing? That's the big question, and we're going to answer it right now.
And you know what? The answer is actually pretty straightforward. We're going to build a strong, balanced portfolio using just 5 powerful ETFs. Now, if you're not familiar, just think of ETFs as baskets of stocks. They let you buy a whole sector or even the whole market in one single shot. It's an amazing way to cover all your bases from stability all the way to aggressive growth.
Okay, so every great building needs a solid foundation, and your portfolio is no different. We have to start there. And for us, that foundation is built with one of the biggest and most trusted ETFs out there, VOO.
VOO is the Vanguard S&P 500 ETF. And in the simplest terms, when you own a single share of this, you are instantly investing in the 500 largest, most influential companies in the United States. We're talking about the absolute titans here. The household names like Apple, Microsoft, and Amazon.
So why start with this one? Well, it really comes down to 3 huge things. First, you get instant diversification. Instead of betting everything on just one company, you're spread across 500 of them. That automatically lowers your risk compared to buying individual stocks. And on top of that, the S&P 500 has a long history of delivering proven, steady returns. And just to give you a sense of the scale we're talking about, get this. VOO is so huge that it represents about 80% of the entire U.S. stock market. It's not just a piece of the market. For a lot of people, it is the market. It's pretty much the definition of a core holding.
So, the takeaway here is super simple, but it's powerful. If you feel totally lost in the world of investing, this is your starting line. It's the rock-solid bedrock you can build everything else on.
All right, our foundation is set. Now it's time to add some layers that are really focused on the future. We're going to start looking for specific high-growth trends that could potentially outperform the market over the next few years. This is where we start getting a little more strategic.
So our first growth play is in one of the most critical sectors of our modern world, cybersecurity. The ETF we're looking at here is CIBR, and it invests in the top security companies like CrowdStrike and Palo Alto Networks, the digital gatekeepers of our world.
This quote just nails it, right? It gets to the very heart of why this is such a powerful investment. Think about it. In a tough economy, a business can cut back on a lot of things, but cybersecurity, that's not optional. In fact, the more connected our world gets, the more non-negotiable this becomes, which makes it an incredibly resilient long-term trend.
Okay, now let's dial up the aggression a bit. Our next growth piece is AIQ, an ETF that is laser-focused on the artificial intelligence revolution. If VOO is our solid foundation, you can think of AIQ as the rocket fuel for our portfolio, designed to capture some really explosive growth.
So why this one? Well, it gives you really broad exposure to what many experts think will be a multi-trillion-dollar industry. But here's the smart part. It doesn't just bet on a few speculative AI startups. It also holds the giants that build the actual infrastructure, the chip makers, the cloud providers, all the things that make AI possible. And that's a clever way to reduce risk while still tapping into that massive upside potential. Okay, so we've got our foundation and our growth engines. But a truly great portfolio needs balance, right? It needs some elements that can hold steady and even pay you when those high-growth stocks hit a rough patch. It's time to play a little defense. And that brings us to our third ETF, SCHD, the Schwab U.S. Dividend ETF. This is our stability and income play. It invests in strong, mature companies that have a long, proven history of paying out profits to their shareholders as dividends. Think of it as the defensive anchor of the portfolio. So what does that actually mean for you? Well, it means this ETF literally pays you just for owning it. With a dividend yield that's typically around 3 to 4%, it creates a consistent stream of income. And during a market downturn, those cash payments can be a crucial buffer that helps protect your portfolio's value while you wait for things to recover. Now for the final piece of our puzzle. We're going to look beyond the giants. This is IJR, a small-cap ETF. It invests in smaller U.S. companies that have a ton of room to grow. I mean, these are the potential giants of tomorrow. So why is this important? It adds another layer of diversification, away from the big tech companies that dominate our other funds.
These smaller companies offer different and often much faster growth opportunities. But, and this is a really important but, they are more volatile. Their prices can swing up and down a lot more dramatically, which is exactly why it's smart to keep this as a smaller, strategic slice of your overall pie.
And there we have it, all 5 of our building blocks. We've got the foundation, the growth engines, the defender, and the high potential specialist. Now, for the most important part, how do we put them all together? Let's take a look at the final blueprint.
Okay, here's one way you could structure a balanced portfolio. VO, our foundation, makes up the biggest piece at 30%. Then comes AIQ at 25% for that aggressive growth. SCHD gives us a 20% slice of stability and income. Our cybersecurity theme, CIBR, takes a 15% spot. And finally, our small cap booster, IJR, rounds it all out at 10%. This mix is designed to create a really powerful balance of stability, income, and growth.
I love this analogy. Think of it like a sports team. VOO is your reliable, all-star player who's always on the field. SCHD is your strong, steady defense. AIQ and CBIR are your aggressive strikers out there hunting for goals. And IJR, that's your agile, high-potential rookie who could become the next superstar. See? Each one has a very specific job to do.
Now, having the blueprint is one thing, but using it the right way is everything. So, 3 quick rules. First, know yourself. This allocation might be great for some, but you need to adjust it for your own comfort with risk. Second, invest consistently. Don't just dump all your money in at once. Add to it over time. This is called dollar cost averaging, and it's a great way to smooth out your returns. And third, be patient. You got to give this strategy time to work. We're thinking in terms of 5, 10, or even more years here.
And that really brings us to the most important mindset of all. This isn't about getting rich quick. Not at all. This is a disciplined, long-term approach that's designed to build lasting, generational wealth piece by piece. So, we've laid out the tools and the plan. We've got the 5 ETFs, the strategy for how to allocate them, and the rules for success. The only question left is the one you see right here. You've got the blueprint. So, what are you going to build?